Today I'm making a cookies and cream ice cream cake. First, in a bowl I have 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Next, add 3 cups of chopped dark chocolate Oreos, and you could also add regular Oreos, and mix it up until it's combined. Now I have an 8x8 pan. I'm going to add 4 Klondike bars and cookies and cream on the bottom. Next, add half of the cookies and cream whipped topping and spread it out. Next, I'm going to add this whole container of hot fudge. I heated up in the microwave just slightly to make it easier to spread out. Next, sprinkle some more chopped up Oreos. Next, add 4 more cookies and cream Klondike bars. Next, add the rest of the cookies and cream whipped topping and spread it out. Lastly, sprinkle some more chopped Oreos on top and cover this up and put this in the freezer for 6 hours before serving. Here's a slice of the cookies and cream ice cream cake.